These are the list of electronic devices vocabulary. Let's start. Number 1, drone, headphone, desktop computer, mouse, fitness band, laptop, smartphone. If you think that this video is fruitful to you, please like and comment which device you like most. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Camera, memory card, electric frying pan, keyboard, computer keyboard, microphone, iron, iPad, computer lab, router, internet router, printer, smartwatch, telephone, the old telephone, virtual reality, VR, virtual reality, network cable, line cable, circuit, wireless headphone, lawnmower, kettle, water pump, rocket, cylinder, UFO spaceship aircraft, kitchen scale, fire engine, internet modem, water purifier, electric cables, electric meat grinder, water heater, digital storage, USB cable, USB cable. Today we learn electronic devices vocabulary. Electronic devices vocabulary.